What's up, guys? I'm here at Granite City, Illinois, playing bingo for the first time. I'm here with my wife. She's gonna show me the ropes. It's a whole vibe. It's a different culture. So we're here. We're gonna make some money, baby. Babe, where we at?
We are at the Knights of Columbus Hall in Illinois where we play bingo.
All right, doing a bingo night. So you gonna show me how we do this?
Yeah. It's not hard.
So this is where they
It's where you buy your cards.
That's where you buy it. So they got automatic machines. So what's that? That's like a automatic bingo machine?
Uh-huh.
What's it called?
It's called a bingo machine.
And it does it for you?
It does it for you.
Oh,
yes.
wow. It's like an iPad.
Yes.
All right.
Uh-huh.
So they got the bingo screens up on there. Right? Hey, babe.
Hey.
So what are daubers?
Daubers are the little marker things that you use to make the dots in your cards.
Cool. See, my wife is the professional bingo expert. She knows everything. You're holding.
These are bingo daubers. These are the mini ones. I like the regular size ones. These are the mini ones.
So why do they have different colors?
I don't know. Some people like to daub in certain patterns. Some people use it to keep track of if they won the game or not. So
Daubers.
daubers.
So, baby, how many years you been playing bingo?
10. Almost
10 years. Wow. How long you been playing bingo for?
About 23 years.
20. Wow. How many times have you won bingo?
Quite a bit.
Yeah. What's the most you've ever made?
I think what? 400? Five. Last time I came, I won 5.
Nice.
$500.
How many years you been playing bingo?
Well, all my life.
Probably since I was like 22, 23.
So would you say you're professional?
I would.
You dive really fast. You're pretty fast.
Yeah, look at cards.
Yeah, look at that. She plays with like 24 cards. Dang, that's a pro.
We bring you an important public service announcement. We kindly request your attention and cooperation to ensure a harmonious and respectful bingo experience for all. Please remember the golden rule. Never call bingo unless you actually have a bingo. Bingo halls are vibrant places filled with excitement, anticipation, and the hope of winning. Calling bingo prematurely can disrupt the flow and fairness of the game, causing disappointment and frustration amongst your fellow players. Imagine the scenario. You're sitting amongst your fellow bingo enthusiasts enjoying the game as your numbers are being called. Suddenly, and without warning, someone calls bingo with an uncompleted pattern. The room falls silent, heads turn, and the game halts. Everyone looks confused, and then disappointment spreads like wildfire. Don't let this be you. Whoa, calm down there. He didn't mean it, he was just mistaken. Thank you for your cooperation and attention. Now let's keep the excitement alive and play fairly and preserve the spirit of bingo. Enjoy the game responsibly, and may the next call be your lucky one.
Alright, well you show the blog. I'm gonna smoke.
I just needed 2 more numbers. N32 and G50.
Somebody went out before you did, babe.
don't need to smoke no more cigarette.
It's stressful, man. Almost got 2 heart attacks.
2 heart attacks?
So let me ask you something. Is bingo for people of all ages?
Yes.
Like, how old do you have to be to play bingo?
18.
Over here.
Over
In
here.
Missouri, it's 16.
Yeah.
Okay, because we're in Illinois.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's 18 and up.
Bingo is for people with good hearts, you know, because you have a heart attack playing this game. This is serious.
Facts.
What's the matter, baby?
I'm never going back.
Why not? What happened?
I hate bingo.
Why?
Because, man, I needed 1 more number. This is 1 more. I needed N39. N39, that's what I needed. Never coming back until next week.
Okay, baby.